Mommy? No, Mama, alright, alright. Yeah, Mama, just I check if you alright.
Left her alone, you know. Me say fi left her alone. Hot color bum dog. Let that be a warning.
Ready? That's it.
Grade 380 boys, grade 3.
I go on with Whisper.
I'm there.
How are you alone there? How happened? You left your team?
I want to tell you, it's a personal move this still, you know. So I come link you personally, see?
may all a reason. And you know, say, it's a good look. Like how you're there with the princess of support and everything in your colours, you know?
Yeah, man. I tell you. So I can't paint all my skin in a red in a whisper. I tell you, man, it's a joy for you to represent. You see it? That's why I tell you, so I can't bother with the wildness, brother. Because one day I have to send away a little one and I feel live in a bush, brother. Rough, you see it? Them way, yeah, man, you know?
She say you're genuinely happy, you know. But you what? I beg you. I stray off of that part, you see? This is where we're right now. Enough youth out there now have them father in them life. So, like me and you, we have to go and do it.
A real talk. This is where for true, man. You see it?
Mm-hmm. So we grown stay now. Everything alright?
Yeah, you know. But I say ground governor now, man. You see it? I watch ya. I have all the star load on the front again. A front page, me the back pan whisper. You get what me I say? All the little school same way. We have a fun for bring go give them set speed. You see it? We just want to get one more upon it. You see me? So them things that we are deal with right now. And make sure say everything go you out. Not have to worry about me in a whisper. Cause you know see I'm happy.
Glad for know that, you see me? Yeah, man. Now do the right thing, just continue do it. So, what are going for butcher? Studio active?
Well, still there, you know. But I say it alright because the last piece of the puzzle I want to fix now for everything complete. You get what I say? But Butcher, you know, bro, kind of worried about him, you know. I mean, him all a reason. I never like how him sound. You see it?
Oh, him sound? So, what go on now? I think so everything good.
Everything good, you know. But you know when it's not good and it's not good, bro. You see it? Cause I want to say I give him a reasoning and thing. And the way him a react to me and attack and thing. I never like it. You see me?
So you tell me say you have a soldier when I tell attack again. Brother, we'll fix what they phone you know. No balance not supposed to upset after that. So what go on?